No other gift is going to beat that.
Cute. And you have a new headband too.
You see?
Look it. Should I take the tag out? Oh, that works. You want that one off? That's history, huh?
There you go, Emily.
Wait, you have to open this to see who it's from.
Whoa.
Thank you so much. Those are really nice.
Can you say thank you to
Yeah, look at me. You know it's like even Steven, right?
Oh.
Oh, and little purses.
Oh, we'll open it later. Oh, this would be so fun to put in your hair right now. What do you think?
Michael.
I'm sure it's in there. This even matches your outfit. Okay. I know, that's really nice. I think they love it.
You flip it up.
Oh, I think you have to pull this out here. Okay, watch. That comes out. There you go. Do you want to put your...
It flips up.
We'll put this in here. It flips up. There you go.
Oh, a cell phone. What a good idea.
You can put it in your new purse.
Okay.
What do you say? What do you say? Say please. Okay. Alright, let's get it open.
Still got the sign.
Yeah.
Alright, here you go.
Jacqueline goes, sorry.
You have to open it. Watch.
And then that one's, the pink one's from Leo.
Oh, look at
There's one more for you guys to open together.
And this is for both of you. Can you do it together?
That's what I was about to say.
Were you? That was a good one. Look at, there's more presents.
It's more fun.
This one you have to share.
That's to share though. That one's to share.
Oh. Thank you. Can you say thank you to Mike and Heather and Liam and Nora?
Your headband there. Let's put it away for now.
Can you say thank you?
There's more presents.
Can you say,
Go figure.
girls, can you say thank you to Mike
Say thank you.
and Nora and Heather and Liam?
Hey, you. Say thank you.
Monica.
You gonna call somebody?
How cool are you?
Oh, you're in my video, Max.
How was this one,
Emily, do you want another present?
You won't even know they want to look
at.
They like
They like those phones. Do you want that out of your hair?
Look at how pretty that is.
Oh, you want another one? Do you want this other one in your hair? But you know what? Looky here. There's another present for you. Yeah. Look at. I wonder what's in there.
What's in there?
Oh, Emily, what's in here for you? Em.
I got a phone.
Let me have your phone.